in northeastern Texas until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen this morning across southern Rusk, northwest Nacogdoches, and central Panola counties. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches with isolated higher amounts are possible in the warned area through 12:45 p.m. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Carthage, Hannah, Timpson, Garrison, Pineville, Minden, Troy, Sackle, New Salem, Douglas, Ponta, Dewberry, New Summerfield, Cushing, Mount Enterprise, Reclaw, Gary City, Dotson, Lawsonville, and Fairplay. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: